Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this first Monday of 2016. Dry heat along with the heatwave continue across almost all of South Africa, although by Wednesday a weak cold front will be making landfall. That will bring some light rain to some parts of the Western and Eastern Cape, and we'll also see those conditions spreading towards KwaZulu-Natal by Thursday. A quick look back at yesterday, and it was a dry Sunday across South Africa, except for a couple of thunder showers that developed over parts of the Free State and the northwest. They were short-lived and really didn't produce much in the way of rain. It remained dry across the country overnight. This is mainly due to an exceptionally strong high-pressure system in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Now, this high pressure is keeping things very stable across the country at the moment, preventing much of the thunder activity from developing and also resulting in the exceptional heat that we're currently experiencing over the country. A couple of alerts for today. The first is the special weather advisory for the heat wave, which will continue all the way through to Thursday for some areas over northern, central and western South Africa. There is also a warning that's for a high fire danger affecting parts of the northern and western Cape for today, where runaway fires could develop. The synoptic analysis indicates that it will be partly cloudy for the central parts this afternoon. There is a possibility for a couple of isolated thunderstorms within these areas, otherwise dry across the rest of the country, mainly clear conditions. But by tonight, a bit of an onshore flow develops along the eastern and southern coastline, and that will start pushing in some cloud cover for those areas, especially along the Garden Route. It's going to be cloudy overnight in that region. Isolated thunderstorms today extend from the Kalahari towards the Free State, as well as some parts of the Eastern Cape interior. Patchy storms over this area, short-lived once again. We're not expecting too much in the way of rain, so not much in the way of relief from the drought over those areas today. Light winds for the interior of the country this afternoon, somewhat breezier along the coastline. We will see fresh winds in places including Richards Bay and towards Table Bay in the west. Extremely hot conditions this afternoon for the central and western interior. Many areas will exceed 40 degrees Celsius. Mid-30s also expected for the eastern half of the country, 35 for Pietermaritzburg, Pretoria, as well as for Richards Bay. Let's move ahead now to an extended forecast for Cape Town. Still hot on Tuesday, but by Wednesday the cold front will start cooling things down and bring some evening rainfall into the city. Remaining milder on Thursday, but by Friday sunshine will help to push the temperatures up once again to a high of 28. Tuesday will be extremely hot once again for most of the country. A few thunder showers still possible around Kimberley and Bloemfontein, where temperatures will be around 40 degrees Celsius. And on Wednesday, there's not much in the way of relief from the heat for the northern parts of the country, but in the south, the cold front will be cooling things down. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.